How to set up Shopify payments 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Shopify and e-commerce tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to be discussing how you can set up payments on Shopify. And it's going to be very simple and it's going to be very easy. I'm going to walk you through it all and show you all the different steps that includes setting up your payments, and it's going to be very simple. I'm going to sign you up with Shopify. I'm going to take you through all the basics, tell you what Shopify really is about, and if you watch this video till the end and listen to all my instructions carefully, then I guarantee you that you're going to properly know how to set up payments with Shopify by the end of this video. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first of all, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to discuss what Shopify is. So Shopify is the greatest and if not the best e-commerce company that basically uses itself to do digital marketing. You can create websites off of it and you can get a lot of revenue. Its net income is 2.9 billion and it has tons and tons of users, and many people use Shopify. Many people have Shopify warehouses who make 7 to 8 figure deals off of it, and that is a lot. So Shopify is amazing if you're getting into e-commerce, so I recommend you start using it now because it is the #1 platform for it. So now that you're familiar with what Shopify really is about, now what you can do is we're going to go to shopify.com and the main Shopify page. So this is the main Shopify page, and as you can see, it's very a lot is going on and it's very user friendly, and it has great animations. You can see all the different entrepreneurs and businesses that help build Shopify from all over the world. You can check them out from all different the continents, the areas on the earth, etc. You can check all of this, the global commerce platform, build your business with Shopify to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. If you come down here, we can see that different creators are on here, different developers, partners, etc. And they tell us that if it's your store, it's your way. We can create anything and any design we like. It's basically CSS, JavaScript, HTML, but so much better. Because in this case, we don't really have to code. We just have to use drag and drop and create whatever we like in the easiest way possible. And it has the best converting checkout on the planet, which I agree with because I have used the Shopify store features and it is amazing. Then if we come here, we can see the point of sale. It's a flexible point of sale to power your retail store from first touch to full funnel, etc. It can streamline your back office. You can oversee your different operations, fulfill every order, manage your money where you make it, etc. Now, if we come down here, we can see meet the people who chose Shopify, and there are tons of big brands and there are tons of celebrities that also use Shopify. So you can check all of that later on. But now what we're going to do is obviously we're going to sign up with it. So to sign up, all you need to do is click on start free trial, and what happens is it takes us to the plans and pricings. Now if I go to the plans and pricings and show you what it is, then it's the basic plan is $1 per month, and in the basic plan there are basic reports up to 4 inventory locations and 2 staff accounts. But then there's the Shopify plan, which is $49 per month. It obviously have professional reports, and then there's the advanced plan with up to $300 per month. So obviously as the plan gets more expensive, the features get better. So it depends on you, whatever one you want to buy. I just recommend using the basic one because it's $1 and it's just amazing. So now that you know the plans and pricings, then you're just going to start your free trial. Now they're just going to ask you your email in the free trial because that's all they need to sign you up. But after your email, what's going to happen is it's going to bring you a page like this where it's going to obviously ask you to create a store. Now you're going to proceed to creating a store, and then it's going to ask you to create a store name. So for the store name, just type, you know what, I'm going to type setup payment. I'm just going to put this in. And make sure that the store name is not taken, because most likely it will be, because a lot of people use this, and a lot of people's minds think like, and a name that you're probably thinking of might have been thought of by someone else. So once you put in your name, you can see that it says success, your store is ready to go. Then it redirects us to our Shopify store. But before going into the main store or the dashboard, it first takes us to this line of questioning where it asks us a few questions. Now, know this, that is very important to answer these questions, because according to this, Shopify optimizes our dashboard and our Shopify page. So after knowing this, let's proceed with the questions. So the first question is, are you already selling? So obviously, make sure to answer all the questions correctly. So I'm just gonna go with I'm just playing around, but you can go with I'm not selling products yet, I'm selling just not online, etc. And once you do that, it's gonna ask like, where else would you like to sell online in addition to Shopify, because Shopify can integrate with all of these programs like Instagram, Google, TikTok, etc. So just make sure, if you want to sell anywhere online, you can choose any one of these. Now, once you've done that, what is your current revenue? You can go with any single one of these revenues, obviously according to whatever you make. Now, please make sure it's accurate, because as I said, according to all this information, it's going to optimize our store. Then this is a crucial step, because it asks what industry we're operating in. So make sure to put in the correct industry, because according to that, you're going to get clients. Now, then you're going to click on next, and you're going to add an address. Now, make sure to add an address, because you add an address so you can get paid. So let's say you haven't added a credit card or a bank transfer where you can get money. So for that, you need to add an address, because over here you're going to get your bonus checks or etc. or whatever. And after all of this is done, you're just going to click on enter my store and let it load and take you to your dashboard. Now, once we're here, this is our basic dashboard. And obviously, you're going to have to familiarize yourself with this output, because this is where you're going to be doing all your work, and this is where all the magic happens, because here is where you set up your store properly. Now, this is the home page. Here are going to be your orders that the customers have got from you, and here are going to be the products you may be drop shipped or added by yourself. Here are going to be the customers, and here are going to be different analytics, etc. So yeah, this is the basic outlook of how the Shopify works. But now the crux of the video, how to set up payments. For that, what you need to do is you're going to go to the setting in the bottom left, and you're going to go to billing. Now, once you go into billing, what's going to happen is you're going to see all these different things. Now, you can add payment methods, or you can add a billing currency. Your current billing currency is set to US dollars, which is good. And if you go in payment methods and click on add payment method, it can either be a credit card or a PayPal. I don't think Shopify, not in my region at least, in my region, Shopify doesn't take bank transfers. So I'm just going to go with credit card. Then what you're going to do, you're going to add your credit card information, then you're going to add an address, and you're going to add your credit card. Now what that will do is it will obviously first of all ask for a verification from the end of your credit card. Once you verify yourself, what's going to happen is that it's going to successfully add your credit card. And from there on out, that's one method of setting up your payment. And by the way, do make sure that before adding your billing method, to get off from the trial plan, like at least buy the $1 plan, because in the trial plan, it's most of a loss when it comes to money. So, and I don't think you really can do a lot of payments here and there when it's a trial. So just make sure to even at least go to the $1 plan. So once you've got all that out of the way, that is basically, yeah, that's about it. It all depends on your region, to be very honest, because my region doesn't support a lot of things. But if your region is USA, maybe that region can get you a little more ways of doing these payment methods, etc. And if you go in payments over here as well, we can basically choose a provider. Let's say you can choose a provider for yourself in these different, let's say I want to choose a provider from 2Checkout. And obviously 2Checkout supports Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Diners Club, JCB, Discover, etc. All you need to do is you just need to go to your 2D check account. You're going to add your Shopify account, etc. You're going to be redirected back here, add in your information, then you're just going to activate 2D checkout. From that, what's going to happen is that's just another way to add your different payment methods, because all these other ways are, let's say, they're unavailable in my country, but probably in your country they will be available. So just do what you want of that. And then if you come down here, we can add different supported payment methods, like again, Visa, MasterCard, etc. We can put that in, as you can see over here. And there are other ways like PaySafer card and like Trustly, Paysera, BLK. You can put all of this if you want to. That's totally upon you. But yeah, that's basically how you set up payments on Shopify. Now, I hope this video was easy for you, and I hope it was easy to understand, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, if you did, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. Share this video with anyone in need. And yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.